श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अमीवः वास्तोष्पते विश्वारूपाण्या विशन् सखा सुषेवयेधिनः शुभगुं शुभं शिवं वास्तु शिवं वास्तु शिवं वास्तु। चतुर्वास्तु देवताभ्यो नमो नमः नमस्करोमि। Greetings to all the viewers, all the disciples and devotees of Sanatana Dharma from Team Pure Prayer, and also salutations to all the viewers and all our patrons and followers of Team Pure Prayer. So as you all know, my dear viewers, Pure Prayer, your trusted online puja partner, has been guiding you, has been assisting you with lot of puja part, lot of all the devotional procedures and all. So far we have performed Pratyangira Homam and Sudarshana Homam and also Navagraha Homam, Shani Shanti Homam and many other pujas, Samuhika Satyanarayana Puja and many more pujas. And your response and your encouragement so far has been tremendous, and we are grateful to all of you for all that response. So in this series, Pure Prayer is coming up with another unique kind of puja. This is called as Chaturvastu Shanti Homa, Chaturvasti Shanti Havan. So what exactly is Chaturvastu Shanti Havan? Why it has to be performed, and what are the benefits that we are going to get from this one? Here we are with all those details. As you all know, Vastu Purusha is the deity, ruling deity of our place, the dwelling place or the place where we are working, or any constructed building for that matter. So Vastu Purusha happens to be the deity who governs, who guides that area, the energy in that constructed plot, in that constructed building. So as you all know, we will be performing the housewarming ceremony or the Vastu Shanti Homam before entering into a new building. This has to be done in order to eradicate all the negative energy, all the evil forces which might be there in that plot, and make sure that that place will be good enough for us to live for a good length of time, and we will be blessed with wealth, prosperity, longevity, everything. So Vastu Purusha happens to be the deity who blesses, who gives us all kinds of materialistic comforts. In tune with this, Vastu Shanti Homam or Vastu Mandala Puja has to be performed as per the Vedic scriptures. So in Hindu scriptures, as you all know, our Vedas are divided into 4 categories: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharvana Veda. Every Veda has got a Upavedam also, that is a subdivision or a intermediate subject to that is called as Upavedam. So Sthapatya Veda happens to be the Upavedam of Atharvana Veda, which happens to be the origin of Vastu Shastra. So Vastu Shastra in primarily guides us about the construction regarding a small house to a town planning to a big architecture to a temple planning and everything. So Vastu Purusha, who originally happens to be a demon, he was elevated to the position of demigod, and later on he acquired the status of a god, and as per Agni Purana and all other scriptures, and he is the one who blesses us with all the materialistic comforts and good dwelling as well. In order to this, we have to perform the Vastu Shanti Homa, and we have to please him and make sure that the place where we are living is good enough and it is full of positive energy. So many of the times what happens is the place where we are living, we will not be able to perform the Vastu Shanti Homam and get all these benefits due to various reasons. Monetary constraints or the place constraints. The place may be very small and the proper ventilations and other things might not be there, or some other restrictions from the neighbors or some other governing bodies and all. And because of all these things, we may not be able to perform the Vastu Shanti Havan, and people may be feeling that we are not able to get the benefits. Keeping all these things in the mind, Pure Prayer has come up with a unique thought of conducting Vastu Shanti Homam online. So wherever you are staying, wherever you are living, in whichever the part of the world, you will be able to participate actively in this puja and get all the benefits of the Vastu Shanti Havan, Vastu Shanti Homam. Vastu Shanti Homam is generally described as Chaturvastu Shanti Homa, which means, as you all know, Chatur means 4. So Chaturvastu Shanti Homam exactly means we are worshipping Vastu Purusha in 4 different forms. That is Purva Vastu Purusha, Dakshina Vastu Purusha, Paschima Vastu Purusha and Uttara Vastu Purusha. So Vastu Purusha will be in the energy format in all these 4 major directions. That is, he will be in the east and south, west, as well as in the north also. So these energy formats which are invisible needs to be invoked through the mantras and also through the mandalas and also through some procedures and all. So when we are invoking all these gods and their energies, so they will be, the infinite form of the gods will be concentrated into a finite form, into a kalasha or into a mandala, and it becomes it will be in tune with the person who is performing the puja, and it helps us in focusing and concentrating on that energy format. So this is the secret, this is the beauty behind all the puja that we are conducting according to the Hindu culture. So what we are exactly going to do in this Vastu Shanti Homam means, as per the scriptures, the Punyaha Vachanam, Vastu Japa, so the holy chantings of all the Vastu mantras, and then the Vastu Havan. The prescribed number of times we will be giving the Ahuti, the Swahakar, to the fire god, that is Agni Deva, and which in turn will be transferred to the Vastu god, and later on the Vastu Homam will be performed, and also along with the Navagraha and Ganapati and all the other deities, and Purnahuti, Mahamangalarati, and an online virtual Ashirvadam also will be conducted for all the devotees who are participating in this Homam. So as a part of this, the Vastu god and all the Mandala Devatas, there will be 2 types of Vastu Mandalas. One is the 64 house Mandala, that is a 8 by 8 square. Another is a 9 by 9 square, wherein we will be finding 81 mandalas, 81 houses. So for each mandala, for each house, there will be a separate deity, there will be sub deity also. They are called as Vastu Mandala Devatas. Along with the main deity, the Chatur Vastu Purusha, all these Mandala Devatas also will be worshipped and we will be seeking their blessings. All the energy that has been invoked in that mandala, this has to be carried forwarded to your place where you are living. So literally speaking, the mandala has to be kept at your place. This Vastu Mandala is nothing but the metaphysical blueprint of a constructed building. But practically, keeping the Vastu Mandala in a place where you are living is not possible. So what we are doing in this regard, and to make sure that all the benefits are transferred to you, is we are also invoking all these gods into a Vastu pyramid, which has got 91 points. So this is a beautiful Vastu pyramid made out of Panchaloha, that is 5 metals. So as you can see, there is a top, this is made of 3 portions. In the top portion, we are seeing 1 pyramid, the huge one. In the second portion, we are seeing here the 9 pyramids. And in the third portion, we are seeing here 81 pyramids. So altogether, this becomes 91 pyramids. These 91 points, these 91 projected points are indicating the 91 gods related to Vastu Mandala. 81 Vastu Mandala gods and the 10 gods of directions, that is Dikpalakas. And at the bottom there is a Vastu Yantra also, which has been properly carved as per the scriptures. So all the energy that has been invoked in the Vastu Mandala after the Prana Pratisthapana, that will be transferred into this Vastu pyramid, and for all the participants, this Vastu pyramid will be given as a gift, which will be sent to you through the courier along with the puja prasadam and all. This Vastu pyramid, you have to keep it in your either in your puja room or in your master bedroom. This has to be placed on a plate, a brass plate or a metal or a silver plate, and on that plate you have to keep a red color cloth, and this has to be placed there. So this is a zero maintenance material which doesn't need any day-to-day puja or any day-to-day regular worshipping or any very rigorous and very strict followings are not prescribed for this. So you can just keep it there, and within 1 to 2 mandalas, that is from 48 to 96 days, you will get to see the results. All the growth, the prosperity, and all your wishes will come true, and all the negativity which might be there in the place, it will gradually get rid of. So when once the negative energy gets nullified, automatically the place becomes a positive one, and you will be blessed with all kinds of growth, prosperity, peace, and all the wishes will come true. So my dear viewers, we request all of you to kindly contact the numbers given at the bottom of this video, so that our backend team, our technical team will assist you with more information. So how to participate, how to be a part of this unique Chatur Vastu Shanti Homa, and how to get the benefits and all. So we wish you all will be participating in this puja in large numbers, and we request you to spread the information to all the devotees, all your friends and family members, and make sure, as always, make sure that this another venture, this another attempt from Pure Prayer will also be hugely successful. Thank you all. God bless you. Bhadram Kalyanam Mangalam Shivam Shubham Shobhanam Harihi Om Swasti.